For years, if you wanted a luxury vehicle, you bought a European sedan. But things have changed. This is the 2026 Ram 1500 Tungsten, and it is officially the most luxurious pickup truck ever to hit the production line. With the legendary Hemi V8 gone, Ram is betting everything on luxury, technology, and a new high-output heart. Today, we're going to find out if this $90,000 plus truck can actually justify its supercar price tag, and if the new Hurricane engine is a worthy successor to the V8. Asterisk. The Tungsten trim sits at the absolute top of the Ram mountain. You can spot it immediately by the unique Tungsten-specific grille, the body-colored bumpers, and those massive 22-inch polished aluminum wheels. The lighting has been upgraded for 2026 with new LED headlamps that perform a walk-up animation as you approach the truck. It still has that muscular, broad-shouldered Ram look. But with the Tungsten trim, it's finished with a level of chrome and jewelry-like detailing that makes it look more like a high-end yacht than a work vehicle. Asterisk. This is where the Tungsten shocks everyone. Step inside, and you're greeted by an indigo and sea salt dual-tone interior. We're talking about 24-way power-adjustable massagers, quilted Natura Plus leather seats, and a suede headliner. Even the gear shifter is finished in a unique crystal effect trim, but the tech is the real story. There are over 50 inches of combined digital displays, including a 14.5-inch central touchscreen and a dedicated 10.2-inch passenger side screen. And the audio. It features the Klipsch Reference Premier audio system with 23 speakers and a 12-inch subwoofer. It is, quite simply, the best sound system I have ever heard in a vehicle, period. Asterisk. Under the hood, the V8 is gone. In its place is the 3.0-liter Hurricane high-output straight-six. Don't cry for the V8, though, because this engine is a beast. We're looking at 540 horsepower and 521 pounds-ft of torque. It's faster, smoother, and more efficient than the old 5.7L Hemi on the road. The active level 4-corner air suspension makes this truck ride like it's on a cloud. It handles bumps that would rattle a normal truck with total composure. Whether you're towing 11,000 pounds or just cruising through the city, the power delivery is instant and the cabin remains whisper quiet. Asterisk. The 2026 Ram 1500 Tungsten is a bold move. It's a truck for the person who wants it all: the capability of a 4x4 and the interior of a private jet. It proves that you don't need 8 cylinders to have a world-class driving experience. It's expensive, yes, but it's also unparalleled in its class. But I want to know, are you ready to let go of the V8 for this level of luxury? And would you take this over a Ford F-150 Limited or a GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate? Let me know in the comments below.